3 people died in Mumbai and its suburbs in rain-related incidents. The country's financial capital is being lashed by heavy rains for about 6 days. The Indian Meteorological Department had also issued a yellow alert for Friday. Despite torrential rains, the megacity has recorded an overall deficit rainfall for June. The normal rainfall for the Kolaba Observatory in South Mumbai is 542.3 mm during June. This year, it recorded 395 mm of rainfall, of which 371.4 mm of rainfall was received from June 24 to 29. Water has thus accumulated on the streets in Andheri and the subway that joins the eastern and the western parts. The area has been waterlogged. Amid this rain chaos, the Mumbai Traffic Police have started Andheri westbound traffic directly from Swami Vivekananda Road, while the eastbound vehicles have been informed to go through the Western Expressway.